Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are testing out makeup products from brands that I never heard of before. So these are the kind of products and brands that you wouldn't see on your daily basis on Instagram or on Facebook or on any kind of publishing. So if you're curious what products we are going to use today and you want to spend some time with me here on YouTube today, stick around and let's jump right into the video. Welcome back. If you're new here, hi. My name is Andrea. I'm doing makeup and beauty videos here on YouTube, so if you're interested in that kind of jazz, then stick around. I would kindly suggest to subscribe on my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also join me on Instagram at Ammunition for content that you wouldn't see here on YouTube. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video, and the first product that we are going to discover today, because as I said, we are testing out products from brands that I never heard of before. So not on social media, not on Google, not on advertisings, nada, nothing. So I have no idea where these guys have been until now, at least for me. Maybe you guys know about them. Let me know if you do. So, the first product that we are going to discover today, it is the MEMI Perfecting Radiance Primer. So, this is a primer which retails for £16, but it's currently on offer on their website for £8. So, if today's video goes well, then just saying. So, this says, fit your need for glowing luminous skin, which sounds right up my street. Well, hello posh packaging, because this looks sick. It's like a luminous aluminum kind. I was expecting it to be more clear because it's a primer, but this one seems to have a little bit of a color which doesn't seem to stick around, so let's try it out. So first impressions, this primer feels really nice on my skin. It did absorb straight away, and it does give you like a really luminous glow, but it doesn't leave you any kind of shade on your skin. So even if the actual cream has a little tint to it, you don't see it on your skin. Okay, for foundation, I'm just going to use one of my own because I haven't found one which I never heard of before yet. I'm looking cringe as usual. Okay, so the next item that we are going to test out today that we haven't heard of before, girl, who is she, is NudebyNature Touch of Glow Highlighting Stick. So this little guy retails for £18. So it has a really nice copper-like packaging. It has a little writing of the company on the side. And it looks like this. So it's a very basic kind of highlighting stick, if you will. And it has a copper vibe to it, which I think it might be too dark for me. But, I mean, look at my face. I'm very pale, so I'm gonna make a use of this guy. Okay, so that blended nicely, and I can see it has a really nice glow to it. However, it's not as highlighting as a highlighter should be. Okay, the next item that we have here is the Suqqu. I really hope this is pronounced like that. And the actual palette looks like this. Really nice, really chic packaging. And if we take this out, this is how it looks like. That's a really nice combination for an eyeshadow palette, and this is a Japanese company which I never heard of before, but this little guy retails for £46. £46, in case you haven't heard the first time. I'm going to take on this eyeshadow right here, which doesn't have a name but is a yellow shade, and I'm going to put it in the inner corner of my eye. Okay, that didn't quite do anything. Okay, next up we are going to take this beautiful teal shade that I am loving. I don't know, I have a little sensibility for this color, and put it on the center of our eyelid. I was expecting this to be more metallic, but it's just not. Okay, now I'm going to take this gray shade and put it in the corner of my eye. Also, the amount of fallout that I have from these shadows is amazing. I am so disappointed with this eyeshadow look. It's so freaking patchy, and it's just... We are going to try the McoBeauty Eye Definer Crayon Liner. Nice packaging. And the actual pencil inside is pink. And it is just a simple black crayon. Okay, so the crayon is not that bad. I would have wanted it a bit more creamy, but it's still fine. For the price, it's a bit expensive. Okay, next up we are going to try another product from MEMI, and this is the Lash to Lash Mascara, and it looks like this. This mascara retails for £10, and so it is one of the fluffier ones, and as you can see, it has a little bit of a ellipse kind of shape to it. So I'm excited to give that one a try. It does elongate your lashes quite a bit. I would have wanted it to do a little bit more in terms of volume, but that's still a decent mascara. And for £10, it's decent. The next item, and the very last one that we are going to try out today, which I haven't heard of before this video, it's an McoBeauty long-lasting lipstick, and this is in the shade Flawless. It's like a bullet lipstick, which I'm loving the color of it. Let's give it a swatch. Wow, that's creamy and nice. It is indeed. It is a hydrating lipstick, that is. I put some brows on because I thought maybe this is going to save the look just a little bit. It didn't, but I'm not... Like, don't get me wrong. If you look from afar, this looks nice. As soon as you come closer, this doesn't look as good. So guys, this is the finished look using only products from companies I never heard of before. Some of them with good reason. So guys, thank you very much for sticking around with me to play about with makeup today. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also don't forget to join me on Instagram at Ammunition. Until next time, bye!